Well, hello everyone. This is Sandy and Cody, my horse and me. And I have to apologize up front. This video is the last video of the year, and it looks like my microphone cut out on me and quit working. So I'm going to do my best to give you a voiceover of exactly what I'm doing today. And that is how to side pass an L pole and a Z pole in sequence. And if you watched my last video on the 3 leg positions, this is kind of a part 2 on how to independently move your horse's front end, like I'm doing here, leg position 1. How to independently move his body laterally or sideways in leg position 2. And that will move Cody sideways. And leg position 3, independently move his hip. Okay, when you're doing the side pass with corners, you need to understand where your leg is and how to independently move his front end, independently move his back end, independently move him laterally and sideways. This is a great exercise for you to practice your side passing technique. And as you can see, Cody, in a moment, Cody and I need practice on this, but that's the whole idea of really showing you the exercises I work on with my own horse. All right, so I'm just explaining how important it is to be able to move your horse's body, to understand what your legs do and don't do. So here we're going to set up for the side pass moving to the right. So I'm going to come around here and line up with this pole right here. And you want to make sure that your horse's front feet and your horse's back feet ultimately are about the same distance apart going over the pole. So you line it up with your stirrup or your boot, and you're pretty much guaranteed that he will stay there depending on how you set him up. So this is leg position 2. I'm moving him sideways. We want to be as close to the corner as possible. I put my leg back in leg position 3 and I move his hip over. Back to leg position 2, the side pass. Leg position 1 to move his front end. Back to leg position 2 to move him sideways. Very nice, Cody. Good job. We're going to do it the other way. As you can see, I'm starting out in leg position 2, moving him sideways, side passing the pole. Once we get to the corner, I'm going to move his front end over. His back end stays stationary. Back to 2, and we're a little squirrely here, but that's okay. We need practice. Leg position 3 moves his hindquarters. Leg position 2 moves him sideways. Very nice, Cody. That was a great demonstration from Cody and I. Sorry about the loss of sound. Here I'm just explaining that if you learn how to move the body of your horse, you will be able to put him in any position. If you put it in the wrong position, as I'm demonstrating here, let's say I put my leg too far back, I'm going to move his hip, and you're going to be totally out of alignment. So line yourself up with the pole, get as close to the corner as possible. Here I'm a little far away and I'm moving. Okay, now we're going to move the hip, then back to leg position 2. I'm going to move the front end and leg position 2, and we're going to complete our side pass over the poles. Good job, Cody. Well, that will do it for us today. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. If you'd like to watch my video on the 3 leg positions. I'll put it in the notes, and I'll also put it up on the screen. You could just click. But here I reiterate: leg position 1, moves the front end; leg position 2, moves him laterally; leg position 3, moves his hindquarters. Play around with this, and you'll have a lot of fun. But the more you refine your cues to communicate with your horse, the better you're going to be at your obstacles. And as your side passing gets better, it's going to benefit both you in the arena when you're practicing, and as well as the show. Good luck. Have some fun. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Give Cody a thumbs up, and we really appreciate you watching. Thanks again. Bye for now. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay? No. Good job. Until next time, give Cody and I a thumbs up, and subscribe and like the video. Subscribe to my channel. This is Sandy and Cody, my horse and me. Until next time, ride, be well. Bye for now.